Hello guys, alright? Welcome to this video. My name is Amanda, and in this video, I will tell you everything you need to know before buying ProDentim. ProDentim is a natural supplement with a unique and innovative technology that came to help us keep our oral health always healthy. But before telling my story using this product, I want to alert you about something very important. ProDentim is only sold on the official website, and to help you, I will leave the link to this site in the description of the video. So guys, I always suffered a lot with gum problems, it always bled, and I also had bad breath, even taking care of my teeth every day. I always ended up going to the dentist with strong pain in my gums and teeth. They gave me several pain medications, and ended up using these medicines. My teeth were getting yellow and weak. It was then that my dentist identified that my body produced more bad bacteria than good bacteria. At first I did not understand much what he said, but then he explained to me that the normal for a healthy mouth is to have more good bacteria that help control oral inflammation, help fight bad breath, bacteria that support the cleaning of the mouth, and also help maintain the color of the naturally white teeth. ProDentim is 100% natural, causes no side effects, and is the only product in the world that has an innovative blend of 3.5 billion probiotics and nutrients that are designed to improve our oral health. ProDentim also targets your respiratory system, supporting your body to stay free of allergies, while promoting restful sleep and good digestion. I have been using ProDentim for 4 weeks now, and feel that it has already reduced all my oral problems by 60%. It comes with a 60-day guarantee. So you can buy the product, test it, and if for any reason you don't like it, just contact the manufacturer and they will refund your money. The right way to take ProDentim is by chewing 1 tablet slowly every morning. It is worth mentioning that there is no miracle supplement, and as each organism reacts in a different way, it is recommended to use ProDentim for at least 3 months in order to obtain great results. So guys, this was the video. I hope to have helped you in some way. If you have any questions, just leave your comments below. I will be happy to answer you. The link to ProDentim with discount is in the description of the video. A kiss and see you later.